Going over the squash patch over here. Some of the stuff's grown in here, some of it hadn't. These are the sweet potato slips I just put in here last week. They're already taking off pretty good. We like to eat the leaves off of those, and if it gets the potatoes, good. Got some here. These ones aren't doing so good, but these ones are. Had one, actually had one cantaloupe come up, and it's not looking so good anyway, so I had to transplant it. But I think what the plan is, I'm going to till this under because nothing else over here grew as far as the watermelons or the rest of the cantaloupes. And I still got a lot of corn left, so I'll probably put corn right in here. I think I need to expand this. I think I calculated it out. I'll expand this out about another 2 feet, 3 feet, 4 feet maybe. Probably another foot over this way at least. And give me a good spacing on the corn there. Doing a 12-inch plant with 30 inches between rows. So it'd be like 4 rows of corn here. Probably 15. Oh, I can't remember what I calculated out. It was like 15. No, it was 25 plants. 25 plants in 4 rows, which would be good. So I'll put some corn over here. Try and get it planted in the ground today so we can at least have a fall crop of corn. That's Kabocha here. Got lots of blooms on there. I think there's already one Kabocha forming over here. Maybe more than one. Yeah, there's a little one right there. It's already forming. And that's a Kabocha too. This one doesn't have no squash on there yet, but got a couple of blooms coming up right there and there. And this one's a Kabocha too. Probably should have planted them a little bit farther apart, but it is what it is. They cover up these weeds, will be good. And this is butternut squash in here. I know there's already some squash on here. I don't know if it's on this one or one of the other ones. But this is all butternut squash down through here. And there, one of these had some squash on it already. Good looking ones too. It's pretty good for some stuff we found growing in the compost pile. We just transplanted them over here. Well, there's some squash on one of these. I just don't remember which one. Not that it really matters. Yep, plants on this smaller one. There's like 3 of them growing real close together. Oh, looks like we got a watermelon or a cantaloupe or something coming up here. Can't remember this row over here. I think this was cantaloupe, so maybe we'll have some cantaloupes over here too. That one's not looking so good. We had extra space, so I planted some more okra over here. I think I got 5 of them. I can't remember which. These are the ones that actually came up from the old seeds that I thought wasn't going to germinate, but they did. I've had those things for probably 4 or 5 years. Big buck snapping okra from Texas. We'll see how they do. They're supposed to be really big pods, and you don't have to cut them. They just kind of fall off. You just grab a hold of them and they pop right off. So we'll see how that okra does. But that's it for the squash patch over here. The one I wouldn't think anything was going to grow in, because you put water on it and it wouldn't even soak into the soil. It was like it had pumice, layer of pumice on it. But after giving it a good soak and a bunch of good rain, it really took off. So that's it for our patch over here, except for this that I'm going to plant corn over here in hopefully this weekend. I need to get it in the ground so we can at least have it before frost. Till it up and put go ahead and put some calcium nitrate in here and till it up. Expand it out slightly and see if we can get this thing going. All right, I appreciate everybody. Really do. You know, if you like my content, please like, share, subscribe, comment, all that stuff. And everybody have a good 4th of July weekend. It's coming up this weekend. All right, take care.